Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you how you can take your mobile phone footage and make it look cinematic. In this case, we'll be using iPhone 13 mini, but you can use any phone you want. We'll start with 3 basic steps: correct exposure, correct white balance, and adjust saturation as needed. And on the 4th step, we're gonna do the color grading itself. Before we start, let's roll the B-roll sequence that I've shot of this room, and then I'll walk you through how you can do this kind of a color grade. And one more thing, I'll be giving away this lot. A link for a download is down in the description, so go and check it out. In Premiere, we'll be taking a look of a B-roll sequence that we watched. When we open a project, we go to the Color tab. Let me show you how it looks before and after. This is the raw footage. First, we want to adjust the exposure. We'll be using this lumetri scope. Here are the highlights, here are the shadows, or better say whites and blacks. We want to make sure that we are below 100 and above 0. So by this we can see that this part is a little bit overexposed. Let's start with the whites, like so. And I want to raise blacks just a touch, like so. Then we can play with the shadows. I'm gonna pull down the highlights. And this should be fine. The second step is to correct white balance. The easiest method is using this picker right here in the white balance tab, and we just select something that needs to be white. Also, you can do this manually if you wish, with the temperature and tint sliders, moving them left and right. The third step is to adjust the saturation, and that's optional. We finished the first part, and the second part is color grading. We'll be using the adjustment layers to color grade our footage, because adjustment layer makes all the changes apply on clips that are below the adjustment layer. This adjustment layer is already color corrected. We'll disable this one. We're gonna make another adjustment layer, and we're gonna drag it above our clip. On this adjustment layer, we're gonna do some edits. First, we're gonna go to curves. We're gonna make this image more contrasty, doing a slight S-curve here. Here are the shadows. Here are the highlights. Then we're gonna go to color wheels and match, and we're gonna put some teal shadows to get that film look. What a difference on this one slider. And I want to make one more change on this blue color right here to be a little more teal. I'm just gonna select the color I want to change, like so, and you see only colors in this range changes. I like it like so. And right now we're done. Let's recap. Correct exposure, adjust white balance, adjust saturation if needed, and then start the color grade. And one key note when taking a video with your mobile phone, you always want to make sure that you have enough light, because otherwise you're gonna get that grain in the shadows. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also don't forget to download the free lot down in the description. See you in the next one. Bye.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.